Hi guys, I have been having chats with you guys, trying to do chats one-on-one. So I did a video not long ago, so I'm going to do another one because there are lots of questions that a lot of you are asking about how you can get a host to join for $59. So I'm going to try to run back through this with you guys again so that hopefully this video will answer your questions, because this is like really awesome, guys. Okay, I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to start from the very beginning, okay? Because there are lots of questions. I've already gotten one person to join using the host rewards. I've got somebody else that's going to sign up this Sunday. I'm going to flip it around so you guys can see it from the very beginning, okay? Okay, I'm in the workstation now. And the first thing you want to do is go here to orders. Okay, you're going to go here to orders, and then I'm going to choose basket party. And I'm going to choose that because it's I don't have to fill in all this stuff, okay? So I'm just going to leave that date like it is. Normally, you know, because a lot of times I don't do parties myself, but this is a great way, guys, for your host to go ahead and bring parties to you so they can join at a discount. So I'm going to type in the host name right here. Jane Doe. Jane Doe is already in here. Okay, Jane Doe is already in here. I pulled it over. And I am also going to have Jane. Okay, you got to make sure you have a phone number in here. I'm just going to put a number in here. I'm going to make up something. Okay, and Jane Doe's email is there. You got to make sure you put the phone number in the email, okay? Make sure you complete this entirely. Okay, over here. So now the party can be shipped to the consultant or other, okay, or the host. Depends on where you want to have it shipped to. We're going to say, in this case, we're going to say host. So because I said host, it pulled the host information over here. It populated. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here to start entering the items for the order. Okay, I'm just going to keep it moving. I'm just going to say next. I'm going to say next. I'm not going to do all the other stuff. Okay, I'm going to still say next. Go to this. Okay, now I'm going to go here and keep it going. So now I'm going to actually start entering my orders right here. Well, you know, you can enter your guest. If you can enter your guest. You can add yourself there as a guest if you'd like. But right now, what I'm going to do is just start entering the orders here. I'm not going to, well, yeah, I'm not going to worry about adding the guests. I'm just going to go ahead and add the orders. I'm going to start with, I'm going to put a diffuser in here because I'm trying to get us quickly to 200. So this will get us there pretty quickly. Okay, that's the diffuser right there. And let me find something. Okay, we're $70 away. I'll put a Stargaze warmer in here. Okay, Stargaze warmer. That's right there. Okay, that Stargaze warmer is going to put us at 180. So we still don't have enough for a party yet. Okay, so I'm going to just put $20 in here. Maybe I'll put a mini warmer in here. So I will put, say, what I'm going to put in here? Believe. Okay, I put Believe in here. Mini warmer. Okay. So now I'm exactly at $200. Okay. And as you can see, there's a $20 host credit there. One perpetual reward, one half off. Okay. And shipping is free. There's a fee there. The fee is there because we have not claimed our host credit and we have not claimed our half off. So that's why that fee is there. Okay, so as you can see, I just threw some stuff in there. Now, this is what's going to happen, guys. So now that we got this $20 host credit, that's $20 in free stuff. Now I am going to right here bring my little dot down from retail to host credit. And now when I bring this dot down in the little item section right here, I am going to choose the kit, K-I-T. Okay, when I choose kit, you see what comes up, host exclusive starter kit. You have two options. You have the Spanish and you have the English. So we're going to choose the English version, host exclusive starter kit. Okay, then you add that to the cart. So once you add it to the cart, guess what happens? So that's the $59 kit over here. So your overage is $39 because you put that over there in the host credit. Now you still have to go and claim your half off in your perpetual. So, okay. So let's go and claim the half off in the perpetual. I'm going to go over here in the half off. And I'm just going to stick in here. Let's see what I'm going to put in here. I'm going to say light bulb. I'm going to stick 25 watt light bulb. Okay, I'm just going to do something just to get it cleared. Okay, that's one half price, earn, one taken. So now I still have a perpetual party reward to go and claim. So I'm going to claim that perpetual right here. Right here with this item, Jane Doe. Give perpetual party reward to Jane Doe. So over here, I'm going to stick in here another light bulb, okay? Okay, 15 watt. I'm going to choose that. Okay. So now that I've chosen that, right over here, $200 party, half price, earn, one taken, perpetual party reward, one earned, one taken, host credit $20, $59 taken for the kit. And as you can see, the $5 charge has gone away. There is no shipping. And that's the bottom line figure. Okay. Now, what's going to happen next, guys? This is it right here. Once you have entered that kit right there, your host is automatically going to receive an email, okay? You cannot close this party until, let me flip over. You cannot close this party, guys, until your hosts receive an invitation to join. They will receive an enrollment application email notification. So as soon as they get that, they have 24 hours to claim this kit. 24 hours. If they don't go ahead and complete that registration, guys, within 24 hours, the kit will come out of your cart. So make it be known that they need to join within 24 hours. And this is what they're going to get, guys. It's going to send them over to your website. They have to complete their name, address. They have to create a website. They have to also create a password, just like people would normally do when they go and join from the website. Okay, they're going to have to enter their credit card number. Even though Scentsy's not going to charge, they're not going to do anything with their card on that end. But the credit card entry is just for future charges from the website. So they enter that information, but nothing is going to happen at that point. But they cannot complete the enrollment without entering their credit card. They got to enter that credit card information, so make sure you tell them that. So as soon as they complete all of that, when you come back to your party, let me flip it back around. Once you come back to your party, let me go back. Okay, you're going to get a little special note right across here. There's going to be a message that will show up right here, and that message that will show up right here will say, you have a consultant pending to join, something like that. I may be off about the wordage or verbiage, but there's going to be a message right here that's going to pop up to let you know that they are ready to join, okay? So as soon as that message pops up, what you're going to do is come over here and close your party. You cannot close your party until they've completed their enrollment, okay? So as soon as that happens, you go ahead and collect the money from them. You're going to go ahead and collect the $59 from them for the kit, in the party. So there are a couple ways you can do this. Okay, this is how you can collect the money from them. You can collect cash if you want to, or you can get their credit card, or you can do it via PayPal. You know, friends and family, there are no fees. So there are various ways you can do it, because if it's somebody that you don't know, they may not want to give you their credit card number, you can actually have them to send the money to you via PayPal. Okay, so there are various options to do this. Because the other day when I did mine, we had 3 credit card entries. Had the host credit card number, I had my credit card number, and another customer's credit card number that we submitted. So you can use multiple credit cards, or it can be just one credit card. So as soon as you enter that payment, as soon as you hit finalize the payment, add the payment, you have a new consultant, just like that. You're going to then get an email from Scentsy letting you know that your consultant has enrolled. So those are the steps, guys. Remember, your party has to be at least $200, because that's a minimum party order. It's got to be at least $200. If it's more, that's fine, but it's got to be at least $200 in order for it to be a party, for them to join for $59. Okay, remember, as soon as you got to make sure you have all of their information correct, entered in the hostess area, because if you don't have it correct, if you don't have the correct email, they won't get the notification for the enrollment. Then once they get the enrollment, remember, 24 hours is all they have in order to get it done, because if they don't do it within 24 hours, it will be removed from the cart. Then you got to start the whole process all over again, and you cannot close that party until they completed that enrollment form. So once they've finished that enrollment form, you're going to get a notification that they're in, and you close the party, and you got a new team member. Just like that, guys. It's not hard at all. So let's party, guys, and let's go get some new team members, okay? And I'm going to answer your questions shortly, but I just kind of wanted to go through this stuff with you guys, because a lot of you are kind of confused about how this is done, but this is like awesome. It's super easy, and let's go out there and tell everybody that they can actually join Scentsy for $59. Now, oh, something else, guys. It's a flat $59, no tax, no shipping. No tax, no shipping, a flat $59 for them to join. So this is like an awesome deal. Something else, guys, is ongoing. It's not just a special for this month. It is ongoing. So yeah, you can tell the world. Go out there and tell the world how they can actually bring a party over. Oh, something else I want to say. Okay, if you got a hostess that's bringing the orders to you, you're going to get the PRV. Okay, but if you want your new consultant to get the PRV from the party order, you can pick up the phone and call Scentsy and say you want to give them the PRV. Otherwise, you as a consultant will get the PRV. But your host, they get the host credit and they get the half off. If that's going to be the normal way that it's done. But again, if you want them to get the PRV, you have to pick up the phone and call Scentsy to do that part. So this is fun, guys. I mean, I'm learning myself, and I went through it myself so I could come over here and explain to you guys how it's done. But this is like so fun. But the moment you start doing it and you become familiar with it, you're going to just like love it. It is like the best thing Scentsy's ever done. I absolutely love it. I love that it's ongoing, and I love that it's simple. It's not hard at all. But I want to see you guys do it. It's like so awesome. Take care, guys. Have a good night. Love you. Bye.